What if the secret to big profits in the stock market is not luck, but deep research and patience? In this video, we'll break down the powerful lessons from Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, a classic book that changed how smart investors think. 1. Don't buy stocks, buy businesses. Philip Fisher says, when you buy a stock, you are buying a part of a business. So instead of asking, will this stock go up next month? Ask, will this company grow in the next 10 to 15 years? Does it solve real problems? Does it have strong future potential? Think long-term. 2. The Scuttlebutt Method. Deep research. One of Fisher's most famous ideas is the Scuttlebutt Method. This means don't only read financial reports, go deeper. Talk to customers, understand the company's products, study competitors, learn how the company treats employees. Real insights come from real investigation. Most investors don't do this, and that's why they get average results. 3. Focus on growth companies. Fisher believed in investing in companies that are growing fast. Look for companies that create new products, invest in research and innovation, have expanding markets. Think long-term. A great growth company can multiply your investment many times over. 4. Management matters most. According to Fisher, great management is the key. Ask yourself, are the leaders honest? Do they have a clear long-term vision? Do they reinvest profits wisely? Do they care about employees? A strong company always has strong leadership behind it. 5. Buy right, hold tight. One of Fisher's most powerful lessons, if you buy a great company at the right time, hold it for years. Don't panic because of short-term price drops. Wealth is built with patience. 6. When should you sell? Fisher says, sell only if the company's fundamentals become weak, or you find a clearly better opportunity, or you realize your original research was wrong, not just because the price goes down. Why this book is important. It teaches long-term thinking. It focuses on business quality, not market noise. It introduced growth investing principles. It influenced many legendary investors. This book is simple but powerful. Final message. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits teaches us extraordinary profits require extraordinary thinking. Do deep research. Choose strong companies. Be patient. That's how uncommon profits are made. If you want to become a smarter investor, not a lucky gambler, subscribe to Deep Reads Daily, because here we don't just summarize books, we help you think different.